Hey YouTube, I'm back with another video, and I just wanted to show, since I didn't get to finish how my slime looked because my phone was about to die. This is how it looks. It almost dried out because my brother was playing with it and he left it out. Okay, watch out, Esaia. Look, this is how it looks. Okay, it's very artistic, and I think I'm gonna let my brother have it because it's too late. And look, it's very slimy, but now it's stretchy because it's been out too long. Esaia. Okay, so Esaia, say hi to the camera. Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Now he's about to play with it. Play with it. Play with it. Play with it. Okay. Say it's really slimy.
I'm ahead making hot dogs.
Say it's really slimy. Esaia. It's really slimy. See, look. It's slimy if your brother didn't leave it out too long.
This my favorite. Water.
What you say?
My favorite water.
Yep, this fell in the water.
Huh?
Hold on to it. I'm about to pull it. See how stretchy it is since he left it out. It's barely even stretchy. Not me. So this is just okay. So bye YouTube, and make sure you subscribe.